Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Range Rover. So, settings, we want Bluetooth, onto Bluetooth, then we need to be watching out at the bottom. Over to the system, click phone, Land Rover there, that's come up already. So, but I'll do it this way, search for new. Please select search option below. Vehicle to device or device to vehicle. Vehicle to device, if you do that, it usually generates a random PIN code instead of you having to put one in. So that's searching for a phone. Just wait. Barry's iPhone 13 Pro. Click on that. To pair and connect phone, enter 3654 on the handset. 3654. Pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow. Phone paired. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream music through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2014 Range Rover. So first thing we do is go to your music, onto music. You'll see there are Range Rovers at the bottom. Now if I click on that, tick next to Range Rover, that means anything that plays on your phone, any audio that plays on your phone, will play through the system in the Range Rover. So if the tick's next to iPhone, just click on it and that'll be it. We'll go back to the record. It's playing. I'll turn it up. Now, if we go over to the system, we need to go to audio video. If I click on audio video there, you've got nothing. At the moment it's on radio. My music, there's nothing by the side of my music. So if I click on my music like so, it's saying please insert this. Wait for that to go, but now you've got Source Plus. Click on Source on the plus, and then you've got Barry's iPhone, then you've got all the different menus. So onto Barry's iPhone. So you have to click Source. Sometimes you have to click Source once in order to get the plus there. So that's it playing. That's set right. All I need to do is turn this up. And the sound system in here is absolutely brilliant. It really is. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2014 Range Rover. So from any screen, all we do is go to phone, click on phone. There's nothing connected, so that's showing you the phones that could be connected, that are connected and stored in the memory. And there you go, Barry's iPhone 13, that's the one we want to delete. Click delete, delete Barry's iPhone, that's it gone. Easy as that. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2014 Range Rover from any screen onto nav. You've got destination entry at the top there, so destination entry, address or postcode. Postcode is easiest, so we click postcode, and we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, High Walton, Preston, PR. Now, it's defaulted to numbers. In some systems, because it's only 2 digits, you have to put a space in, but in the Range Rover one, it takes that into account. So PR5 4 E8. That's it, PR5 4E8, OK, and then go. Destinations nearby, please check the map. Well, we're on the full cut. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.